Today I'm going to be showing you the basic render settings for Premiere Pro to render a video. So we have our two clips here. The first thing you want to look at is this yellow bar on top. That's going to show you your entire clip length. Make sure you don't have any scattered footage over to the right. I've made that mistake many times. But yeah, this yellow is going to be your full rendering. So go over to export. It'll be in the top left corner. Click export. And it's going to have the entire video highlighted. You can use this blue little tab here to navigate that entire tab. If you want to make the rendering less of this video, you can click range and click custom instead of entire source, and now you can drag this little bar around to where you want it to cut off. Obviously, if you edited a video, you're just going to want the entire source most of the time. There is different circumstances if you're rendering smaller portions for different videos or something like that. But yeah, that's how you can custom render the little bars. So now we're going to go over to the rendering settings. You can start at file name, I'll call it tutorial, preset, custom, and then format. We're going to do H.264. If it's on anything else, make sure you change it to H.264. And then down in video, we're going to click that and make sure. So one thing people do is sometimes this is clicked off, then it doesn't render the audio. Make sure everything is clicked on if that you did. So metadata is clicked on, effects are clicked on if you did effects. Make sure captions are clicked on if you did captions. Otherwise it won't render those. So you're going to click on video, and this is going to bring you to the basic video settings. If you want to change anything that you don't like, all you have to do is uncheck this check mark. Most of these are good as presets. So let's say you want to do a TikTok short and it's not letting you. You can do custom and change the width, and so like a TikTok short would be 1080 by 1920. You can change that custom 1080 1920. You can click 4K. That's going to bring you 4K resolution. We'll just stay at full HD for now, which is 1920 by 1080. Same thing for frame rate. If you standard is 30, we can change that to 60. Then you can leave the aspect ratio at square pixels of 1. And then more, you don't have to mess with any of this stuff. You can leave that all the same. And then after you've checked over all this stuff, you can click those boxes. If you want to go back to the standard settings, when you uncheck them, that makes it custom. So if you re-click, it'll just change it back to 30 if you did 60. So make sure those stay unchecked. But yeah, personally, I just leave them all checked when I render a video. The settings are fine. And then once you have all that done, go down to the bottom right and click export. And that starts exporting the video.